Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a peachy fall look vibe. I'm gonna use the Baby Got Peach Colourpop palette, but I'm gonna use it with this Humble Heaven eyeshadow palette. For a more fall look, I'm gonna use the brown shade here, maybe the orange, I don't know, because this is more of a spring color, so I wanna do more fall looks, so I'm just gonna mix them up. Spring and fall are my favorite seasons, so this is a perfect look. It's amazing, like mixing spring and fall. We'll see how it turns out. It's the first time I mix pastel with warm brown tones. So okay, I already primed my eye. I'm gonna use the Baby Got Peach palette first. I don't know which shade to use. I guess I'm just gonna use, no sé. Okay, I'm just gonna use Darling, this light shade. Okay, so this is a first impression. It has like a fallout that's good. It's not that bad. So I'm gonna test out the pigment right now. Okay, it's not as pigmented. So it's a type of shadow that you have to build up. It's fine, it's good. So let's see how it blends. It blends soft, but with these shadows it looks like I need to pack on a lot of times. But the color is there, you just have to reapply a lot. It's a light shade. It's pretty. Okay, I'm gonna use another color fold. Okay, that's pigmented. Oh wow, this actually is really bright and pigmented. Okay, I love the color. This is pretty. Wow, I love the peach. So I try the shimmer and this press glitter. I'm gonna do a first impression, so I like to try the matte, the shimmers, the glitters in one look the first time I use a palette. So I'm gonna use this Get Even shade, the shimmery shade. Okay, it's smooth. I'm gonna apply it right here. Okay, it's pigmented. It's pretty. It's more peachy orange. I suppose this one's more pinky peach. It's really easy to blend all of them. I wanna take a break with that palette. I'm gonna use the Humble Heaven palette. I'm gonna use the brown shade to darken the outer edge. Oops, this is a more warmish reddish brown. Oops, I put too much. I'm gonna use a clean brush. I'm just blending it up in the middle. It's circular motions, and then I just do it to the side, circular. You see it blends soft. Okay, this looks pretty together. It's looking more like a reddish burgundy instead of brown. Put a little bit more browny here. Yeah, it looks reddish. Burgundy, I don't know. More of that peach shade. You want to try this shimmery press glitter? Ooh, it fell. Yeah, with these you have to be really careful. So I'm just gonna add a little bit here in the inner corner. Oops, I put too much. A little bit of the shimmery right here. Oh, this is really bright. It looks like an eyeliner. I dig this. Wow. Okay, I kind of feel like adding more brown, but I don't know. So I'm gonna add a white shimmer shade on my brow bone. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna use local lashes called Lashes. I'm gonna use rocks. This one, the small ones. That's my dual lash adhesive. Okay, I'm gonna use that airspun powder. A sponge.